Hi, my name is Bernardo Strassburg, and I've talked about how to scale up restoration. We develop scientific approaches that allows us to identify priority areas for restoration where the cost benefits can be 6 times higher than non-prioritized efforts. With that, we supported national policies and international policies. We developed the first global analysis of restoration, and the results were astounding. We showed that if we were to restore 30% of degraded, low productivity areas on the planet, we could capture 465 billion tons of CO2. That's about half the CO2 build-up since the Industrial Revolution, and avert 71% of an upcoming extinction crisis. But with all the science and supporting policies, restoration was not taking off. So we focus on how could we develop a viable business case that would attract finance in the billions of dollars so that we could restore millions of hectares. I took inspiration from the unlikeliest source, the very agribusiness sector that was destroying Brazil's nature at a rapid pace. That thinking gave birth to Regreen, a B Corp dedicated to delivering 1 million hectares of 5-star ecological restoration. It blends algorithms to identify precisely where to restore and the ideal mix of models to restore, further increasing cost effectiveness. The results: over 15 million trees have been growing back in just under 2 years. And investors receive double digits rate of return. Inspired by Regreen's case and others, we can bring about a historic change in our journey. If we are to meet the 1 billion hectare targets we agreed, for which supporting science and policies are available and proved business cases are being implemented, we could be the first generation to leave the planet better than we encountered it.